the biggest advantage to be in the net is there are a small number of meetings and you remember the faces, you remember the programs. It is very productive. I really like it, and I think the following years we will be here again.
Very kind atmosphere. It's home-style atmosphere. It's not overcrowded as on other events, and it's helped us in a relaxed situation to talk with the agents and to build cooperation with them.
I will go back to my country, Turkey and Morocco, both, full of knowledge, full of universities in my head.
The NET conference is well organized and having a good contact in advance. I appreciate that, and I meet many wonderful schools here in Poland.
In general, I think that is a very good event because we have access to many agents, to many institutions, and that I know from the previous experience that such contacts later work in practice.
And I'm really satisfied that the representatives here are from many different countries and even from regions where we are very keen to find some partners.
I can see my friends right now that I can from all over the world. I can meet new people, and also it brings lots of benefits to my West Pomeranian Business School.
I am really impressed by the quality and by the professionalism. I think this is a great event, and this is the first time that they have invited all the medical school as well as other schools which normally do not want to work with agents though. So this is a very good opportunity for us.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for your invitation.
It's always a pleasure to attend events like this, and especially events that are prepared by people like you.
And I'm really happy to be here.
I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.